Alright guys, AJX22 again. Just finished scrubbing her down, and it's not looking too bad. A lot more lettering's coming up. A lot more of this, shell that's on it is going away. The barrel still hasn't quite freed up, but I did get the barrel wrench and I'm going to play with that. But I think I'm going to give it a round of penetrating oil first. It's coming loose, but not quite yet. Yeah, that bushing is going to be the key to getting it apart. I put the wrench on it, and what it seems to be not adhered to the slide, but adhered to the barrel. So I scratched off some of the black coating, and I'm going to see if I can get some penetrating oil into that parting seam. It's also possible that we could use a hot wrench on it, but I'm a little hesitant to do that just because of the whole heat treating issues. But she's coming along. Definitely coming along. So I'm going to chuck her in the penetrating oil. And that should be good. Yeah, firing pin looks like it's getting significantly more free. I think the last round there was a fairly decent amount of flaky stuff. I think it all came from the inside. But yeah, I guess it's just a matter of a little bit of patience now. I'm going to soak it in penetrating oil for 12 hours, then I'm going to switch out the electrolyte and flip the electrode over so you can use some of the exposed steel instead of that crud on the end. And yeah, from that point on, should just be able to cycle it. Alright, have a good one.